So I've been having problems with my Xbox controller. It's just a plain regular Xbox controller, and I decided, you know what? It's time for an upgrade. Time to get the best controller money can buy. And I thought about doing the Xbox Elite controller, but it's basically an Xbox controller. So I looked at Scuff, and I think Scuff Gaming is what we're gonna go with. So we're gonna check them out together. We're gonna design a controller together today. I'll order it today, and then I will do an unboxing and a review later. So let's check them out and see what we got. All right, so we are on the Scuff Gaming website. Obviously, we're gonna look at controllers. And of course, they have mobile controllers, PS5 controllers, Xbox, PC, PS4. We're doing PC because I'm a PC gamer. So we're going to do PC controllers. We're going to go ahead and click shop. We do not want to be first to know. No, thank you. But we would like to shop. So they have the Envision for $129 and the Envision Pro. And again, we're going to get the best that money can buy. I believe the Envision is wired, not wireless, and doesn't have all the stuff the Envision Pro has. Obviously, it doesn't have the wireless connectivity, adjustable instant triggers, or high performance grip. So we are going to go with Envision Pro, and then we're going to build our own. We're going to design our own Scuff controller. So let's do that. It is loading. It is still loading. All right, we're here. All right, so basic colors we got here, looks like, is, you can't see the colors on the right, but I'm just going to tell you them. You'll be able to see them as I click on them, I guess. Maybe I'll find a way to put them on the screen. So we got black, white, steel gray, light gray, red, blue. That looks almost like a purple. Green, orange, and pink. To me, the actual colors, they look a little, I don't know. They don't look as premium. So I'm definitely going to do black or white, I believe. Maybe still gray. Black, white, or still gray for sure. They also have designs, it looks like. Let's look through all the designs. They have cherry blossom. Cool if you are a female. Or a male too, really. But not for me. We got respawn. Not really. Prosperity looks kind of cool. It's got like red dragons on it. Again, I don't know. It just gives it more of a non-premium feel to me to have these designs. But I still want to look at them all. We have Omen, gold. Elevation, Genesis, Void, Nebula, Energon, Celestial. We got Knights of Scuff, Vixens. That's kind of okay looking in a way. We got Tiger Stripe Black, Dreamscape, Conjure, too much colors. Tiger Stripe Blue and Red, those are just not for me at all. Illumination, Iridescent, Firewall. Firewall's not too bad. Vandalize, kind of cool, like a graffiti thing going on. Cascade, Dimension, Nimbus, Trek, and lastly we got Traverse. Yeah, I think I'm going to stick with just regular colors. I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with white. I am going to go with white. I like white. I'm going to do white, and then we are going to design our controller. Looks like we could do the back too. We could do black or light gray. I feel like light gray is going to go better with the white. So I'm going to pick light gray for the back. And then we have our thumbsticks. We can do short concave, short domed, long concave, long concave, and long domed. I'm going to go with short concave for sure. I think that's what matches on here, short concave. So we'll do that on left and right stick. I did notice that as you can see here, the analog stick is on top and the D-pad is on the bottom. But on the Scuff controller, the D-pad is on top and the analog stick is on the bottom. So that'll be a little getting used to. This also has bumpers on the side, it looks like, for extra buttons. And then, of course, it has buttons, triggers in the back. And then on the triggers, it looks like adjustable sliders. So you can make it where it's like, you can push it all the way down slowly for like race car games or whatever. And then you can turn it all the way up where you're like fast clicks for like FPS games, which is pretty cool. Although I use mouse and keyboard for FPS games. But if you're an FPS gamer, that'd be pretty cool. All right. So left ring and right ring. We can do black, light gray, steel gray again, red, blue, green, pink, and orange. I do like a little bit of color for sure. So most of these colors seem just not, like, I don't know, they're just too much. Orange looks pretty good. Orange, I like. I'm going to go with orange. I'm going to go with orange on both rings, I think. I'm going to do orange on both rings. And then the sax buttons, which are the side buttons, right? We can do white, gray, black, red. I'm definitely not doing any colors if it's not orange, at least. Yeah, still gray, black. Man, I think I am going to go with. I'm gonna go with still gray for the side buttons, and then we got our bumpers, which are the front top left and right triggers. I'm gonna stick with. I'm gonna do black. I'm gonna do black for the front bumpers, and then the triggers on the back. I think I'm gonna do light gray. I'm pretty sure, because it'll kind of match the back. I definitely don't want white. Steel gray would be okay again too. Steel gray and black are almost the same. I think I'm gonna do steel gray actually. I don't want it to blend in too much with the back, so steel gray will be good. And then we got our D-pad. Again, we got black, gray, white, and then colors. I think we're gonna stick with black on this. Steel gray or black? Yeah, I'm gonna do black for sure. And then we got our button kit. So we got black and like dark gray, white and light gray, black and light gray. It looks like you got red and black, orange and black, white and blue, white and orange. I'm gonna go with white and orange because it matches the rings. So white and orange on the buttons as well. So I think that is pretty much all we can do, right? Let's see. And then they want to add this. No, I do not. No, thank you. Continue. And I think that's it. I think that is it. Yeah, that's it. That's the controller. Looks like it's gonna be around $205 with shipping. Looks like it's about $220. Will it be worth it? Come back for the review and the unboxing, and I will let you know. But I'm definitely buying it. So, premium controller, here we come. Peace and love. Hope you enjoyed this. We out.